Now we will do question number 3. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, keep the park clean, with the message, keep the park green and clean. Here you can see that this is the side wall which where the message has been written. Now if the sides of the walls are 15 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 6 meter, find the area painted in color. Here we are to find this area which is shown as blue in color, which has been shown in the picture as blue in the color. So what has been given to us? These are the three sides of the walls. Suppose these are the three sides A, B and C. A is equal to 15 meter, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 6 meter. Now we have to calculate the area of triangle using Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? As per Heron's formula, area of triangle is equal to under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. What is S? S means where S is semi-perimeter. Now what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is half of perimeter. Now what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of all the three sides of the triangle. That is all the three sides, this one and this one, all the three sides. When we total the length of all the three sides, it is perimeter. In other words, we can say that A plus B plus C, these are the three sides of the triangle, and when we divide it by 2, semi perimeter will come out. Here we will fill in the values of ABC, 15, 11 plus 6 divided by 2. So what is the value of semi? Now what is the semi perimeter? 32 divided by 2, 16 meter. So this is the semi perimeter. We have calculated the value of P. P is 32. So now we will fill in the values of S, A, B and C to arrive at the area of triangle or the area of the side wall. So we will again write the formula. Minus C. So we will fill in the values of S. What is the value of S? It is 16. So S 16. What is the value of A? 15. So what is the value of B? Value of B is 11. Now what is the value of C? It is 6. So now we will solve it. 16. This will become 1. This is 5. This is 10. We can write 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We are doing prime factorization of 16. What is prime factorization? Prime factorization is the process in which we find out the prime numbers which when multiplied will give the original number. So when we multiply these digits, the original number 16 will come out. Now what are the prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which can be divided by 1 and the number itself, except 1. All the numbers from 1 onward which can be divided by its own number or by 1 are prime numbers. For example, we are giving this only for the purpose of your understanding. Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are prime numbers. These can be divided by itself and by 1 only. So we have done prime factorization of 16. 1 will remain as 1, 5 will remain as 5, because it cannot be further subdivided. 2 can be written as 10 can be written as 2 into 5. So here you will find that this is the square of 2, this is again the square of 2. Here 1 will remain as 1, this is the square of 5, and this is 2. So what is 2 into 2 into 5 under root 2? So 20 under root 2 square meter. This is the area of the wall which has to be painted in color. This is the answer. 20 under root 2 square meter. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.